AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is AMC Entertainment stock a buy? I'll be breaking all this down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. With AMC Entertainment Holdings, this thing is kind of in this melting stage, but I understand it. That is going to happen. It's perfectly nothing unusual. I've done well over a lot of receipts with AMC, made like 53 results in the Discord regarding that. I have 44,000 videos made over the last 5 years, right? Documented. No one else is come even close to doing that amount of volume. Recently got quick little long, and then it came into my demand zone. Now, how this looks like is I honestly do think that we're going to freaking puncture beneath 280, but the only thing that's gonna matter to me is a proper double break above 298. I mean, if I start seeing breaks above $3, then of course I'm looking to double down on that, but like randomly buying, it's not going to be happening. So that's how AMC is at least looking like for me. It's obviously not financial advice, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Now, key takeaway for me here is that I'm only going to buy if this happens. If not, it's nothing, nada. So if you want to get my money making emails and insights and stock picks for free, click the first link in the description. It's free.